Session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All right, folks, today's courtroom showdown is packed with emotion and legal twists. The case Sauer versus Moffitt with Judge Faith Jenkins at the bench. Miss Sauer is demanding child support from her former fiancé, George Moffitt, a man who legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis, during their engagement. But here's where it gets complicated. George isn't the child's biological father, and the wedding never happened. Now the courtroom's heating. Is George still on the hook financially, or could a legal technicality let him walk away? It's a case filled with heart, history, and high stakes. Let's break it all down.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Sauer takes the stand and lays out her case. During their engagement, George legally adopted her son, Travis, an act she says reflected his deep commitment to their family. Even though the relationship ended, she believes that promise shouldn't just disappear. But George isn't staying silent. He confirms the adoption, but argues that things have changed. He rarely sees Travis now, and his finances are Then comes a turning point. George reveals he suffered a panic attack right before their wedding and ultimately walked away. The courtroom grows. This emotional confession adds a whole new layer to the case. Is George a man pushed past his limit, or is he looking for a way out of his obligation? The situation is anything but black and white.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail. You know,
okay.
I in this neighborhood actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
It quickly goes off the rails. He rambles about delivering mail in the neighborhood and insists he's just a good guy trying to get... She cuts straight through the norm, reminding him that legally Travis is his son and that comes with real financial responsibility. George circles back to his panic attacks and emotional struggle, hoping for some lenience. But Judge Faith stays locked in on the fact. Emotions aside, the law is clear. Then the mood shifts. Miss Sauer quietly shares that Travis still asks about George at night. He misses him. It's a tender, unexpected moment that softens Courtroom's edge and tugs at the heart. Now a deeper question lingers. Is this case really just about, or is there still a connection that neither side is ready to let?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when it feels like the courtroom tension has reached its peak, Judge Faith delivers a jaw-dropping curveball. Why don't you two just get married? The room falls silent. George lights up. He still has the engagement. Miss Sauer hesitates, visibly emotional, and then, to everyone's surprise, she says yes. Right there in court, Judge Faith turns from judge to officiant, uniting them in marriage on the spot. The child support case? Instantly dismissed, because in the state of Texas, once you're married, child support between spouses is no longer required. It's an unexpected, heartwarming twist. Proof that in family court, every once in a while, love finds its way back in and rewrites the end.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support. This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the surprise wedding, Judge Faith takes a moment to explain the legal reasoning behind it. In Texas, once parents are legally married, the obligation for child support between them no longer apply. In this case, that law did more than just settle a dispute. It brought a family back together. This case stands out as a powerful reminder. The courtroom doesn't just deliver verdicts, it delivers second chances. The video closes with a heartfelt invitation to the audience. Share your own stories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real